What's going on, guys? This is Jack Shaver for Oceanography 101 for the tides video assignment. I'm going to upload this to YouTube and then drop the link on the assignment right there. But we're going to be explaining how the tides work today. So first things first is, pretend someone asked, what are tides? It's very simple. The rise and fall of the water along shorelines across the globe that are caused by the moon's gravitational force. The sun also has a little bit of influence on it, but definitely not as much, just because it's so much farther away. We can kind of pretend like this circle is the Earth right here, and if the moon is right here, it's gonna cause the water to go like this, and that's because it's also pulling the Earth, so it causes a little bit of water to be left behind over here, and then pulling the water over here, obviously towards the moon. If you look up diagrams, I'll show you one right now on just a simple one on Google. Here, where's it at? Let's see. This is a simple one off Google. I can't really blow it up very well, but here you go. So this is a spring tide and a neap tide. Neap tide is when the moon is at a right angle to the sun, and that causes an even, you can see the ellipses right there, dark blue and light blue. It causes a pretty medium-sized tide. Now up here, spring tide, it's got the double blue on both sides. That makes the tide a lot bigger. And yeah, so normal coastlines experience about 2 highs and 2 lows per day. Here in Southern California, we have like a mixed tidal pattern, because sometimes we'll have it's kind of weird. Sometimes we'll only have 1 high and 1 low. But yeah, some places like the Bay of Fundy in I think it's Nova Scotia or Canada, whatever. It's crazy. They'll have tidal swings that are 50 foot, whereas here a big tidal swing is 7 foot. So it just kind of depends, where in the globe you're located. But as we learned in this class and the Oceanography lab class, if you have the ocean basin of the Pacific Ocean right here, the water it doesn't pinpoint and then go out and reach all these coastlines at the same time. It almost moves in a circular motion, like if you had a bowl of water and you're going like that with it. Yeah, so that's basically how tides work. Another important thing to note is that the moon orbits the Earth every 27 days, I think it is, and causes the highs and lows to be about 50 minutes later each and every day. So there's the explanation.